everything that you value from science and technology came from fundamental research. And the people who developed that technology did not know they were developing a cure for a disease or a new technology when they developed. They were studying the basic phenomenon, trying to understand how nature and the world works. There's new gene therapy coming online. There's people getting genetic diseases fixed. The tools to develop that were built by people wanting to know how bacteria trade their DNA back and forth, wanting to know how worms share genes between each other. Stuff that to you might sound like it's a waste of time really actually has led, with time and patience and deep investment, to the things that you value now. And the goal is to continue that. The beneficiaries are scientists and clinicians, people who need to know how neural circuits work, how they process information, etc. We're doing the work of expanding that knowledge base. Perhaps far in the future, the people who are intended to benefit are people suffering from issues with the way their neural circuits are working. So once you know how the thing is working, you have the opportunity to make changes to it. To give the example of aging and smell loss, if we can understand how neural circuits are affected by aging, then perhaps we have the opportunity to affect the degree of smell loss or the recovery from it. The underlying problems and questions driving our work are fundamental to understanding how brains work and are therefore fundamental to understanding, health and wellness. Some of my core questions are really about memory. We obviously all deeply value our memories, and we feel that we obviously see the tragedy when your memories start to become impaired. The broader work at Monell is focused on chemical senses, taste, smell, and nutrition. These are really at the center of health over the lifespan, and we would like to have a deep understanding of these processes so that we can impact health outcomes over the long term. When you invest in Monell, you invest in the ability of people to do this work, to uncover fundamental sort of rules and mechanisms and aspects of how the chemical senses work. And when we know those things, we have the opportunity to make advances towards improving health outcomes.